A house doesn't have to be new to be green. There are many opportunities to make your home more sustainable with renovation. I'm at the home of Abe Kruger here in the North Ormwood Park neighborhood of Atlanta, Georgia. In addition to our new GreenShortz greenhouse project, we'll be following the renovation of Abe's 1940s bungalow. Let's take a look inside.
Hi Tom, come on in.
Good morning. So in addition to being a first-time homeowner, Abe is also a green building consultant, which is why he wasn't afraid of taking on a project like this. Abe, tell us about the house.
Yeah, so the house was built in the 1940s. And as you can see, the house hasn't been very well maintained over the years. And so I was looking for a home that was older, but also in need of some TLC.
You also chose this home because of where it is.
The house is in North Ormwood Park, which is right between Glenwood Park and Earthcraft Certified Community and East Atlanta. There are plenty of restaurants, bars, there's even some small convenience stores that I can walk to from here. So I knew this location was going to be right for me.
And I should mention here that you were one of the co-authors of the book on green building, so you know what you're talking about.
Carl Seville and I wrote Green Building, Principles and Practices in Residential Construction, which was the first residential green building textbook. And it is used all around the country by colleges, universities, and even some high schools.
With this particular project, you're going to do a gut renovation, which means all the drywall or plaster, looks like, comes down, but you're going to save this really nice fireplace.
Any historic elements in the home, like the fireplace, we're definitely going to keep. But as you can see, the plaster and lath is in terrible condition. In many of the rooms, it's been covered with drywall, and so all that's going to come out.
Part of the benefit of taking it down to the studs is you're going to be able to re-insulate the home from the inside.
There's even some water damage from roof leaks in the home, so we're going to get to repair any structural issues like that, but also improve the energy efficiency through insulation and air sealing.
So as we document this project with some videos, we're also looking to feature some of the products that you're using in the home that will help you make it more sustainable.
As a green building consultant, education is very important to me, and so I was looking at using this house as a showcase. So going through the whole process, looking at energy efficiency, water efficiency, different materials we're using in the home, how are we going to improve the indoor air quality of the house as well, so spelling those different elements of what makes this a green home.
Talking with Matt Hoots, who is the general contractor for the project. Matt, green building is your specialty.
And we're a design build company. We also focus on sustainable designs, energy efficiency practices, and also making houses more healthy and energy efficient at the same time.
So before you gut the house, you're going to be doing some assessment on it so you can measure improvements. What tests you're going to be using?
Well, I mean, one, you can just walk through it now and feel the draft. We can run a blower door and duct blaster on the house because we do those in order to establish a baseline condition for the house so we can show improvement. With that, we can get potential rebates from Georgia Power for making energy efficient improvements. We definitely plan to use this series of videos to help our future clients understand all these different green building techniques.
So follow along as we follow Abe's renovation and turn his old house into a greenhouse. And that is another easy way to be green. As always, our challenge to you, put your green on one leg at a time. Stay connected by becoming a fan of our Facebook page. Follow Abe's blog at greenongift.com and help spread the green by sharing with your friends. GreenShortz.com. That's shorts with a Z.